Microsoft Excel, using the formula for ceiling. Ceiling is using for rounding numbers up, and we get to select to what units it rounds up to. So here I have some pressures that are listed out. These are looking like pressures in a hydraulic system, so I'd round those to the nearest 50. I'd round them up to the nearest 50, and on PSIG, these are looking like pneumatics, so we'd round those up to the nearest 5. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to go to the first one here, click in cell C5, hit equals, getting my formula started, start typing in ceiling. I can see that it is listed in here, so I'm just going to double click ceiling. Then it's going to say what number do we want to do the rounding up on. So I'm going to click on cell B5, and then I'm going to put in a comma, and it's going to say to what significance. I'm going to say to the nearest, or up, not nearest, but up to the closest 50 psi. I press enter, and it says that should be 1350. Now I could type that formula in multiple times, but if you look at this box right here, there's actually a little green dot in the bottom. I'm going to show you what that's for. If I grab that dot right there and I pull it down by that dot, it actually duplicates that formula with the same relationship of the number directly to the left, like we did in the first one, and rounding it to the nearest 50, and you can see that up on the formula bar. If you see, this is just giving me the answers down here, but if I want to see the formula, if I come in here and double click, it'll show me what the formula looks like. All right, let's try this one here. Again, we're going to go equals ceiling, double click on ceiling right there. I'm going to click on the number to the left, and on this one I'm going to round it to the nearest, or round it up to the nearest 5. I press enter, and I go, that should be 25. See, there's that box again. You know, instead of dragging that down, I can go up here and just double click it, and it'll drag that down automatically. So there is using the formula ceiling.